I feel extremely fortunate for all of the amazing times that I've had to spend with friends and with my own wife riding motorcycles and seeing the countryside. The feeling you get from the experience is truly like no other. There is, however, a very harsh reality to riding motorcycles. You are extremely vulnerable in some circumstances. March 15th, 2005 is a date that I will always remember. I take life very seriously, and I'm very fortunate that I lived through this pretty horrific incident in my life. Life is something that is very fragile and should be taken very seriously. It's probably an understatement to say that I enjoy motorcycles. The physics in which they operate and the sheer wind in your face experience is truly something that cannot be explained. While the sheer joy and excitement of riding motorcycles is incalculable, so is the grief that can be experienced if somebody dies while riding a motorcycle or is extremely or severely injured. So keep these things in mind. Think of those who have lost a great deal in this sport, and anytime you decide to go for a ride, remember that life is precious. Take life seriously and think long and hard about your own actions and the consequences of those actions.